How to add your religion on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your religion on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then profile information, and here you will find your birthday. Click this pin here, and here you can add your religion like Islam, and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.